Is your car showing a rear light failure warning on the dashboard? This could be caused by a burnt-out bulb, a blown fuse, faulty wiring, or corroded sockets. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to diagnose and fix this issue easily. Let's get started. The most common reason for the rear light failure warning is a burnt-out or faulty bulb. Over time, bulbs wear out and need replacement. Turn on your headlights. If the warning appears, a tail light bulb may be out. Press the brake pedal. If the warning light comes on, check the brake light bulbs. Replace any faulty bulbs with the correct type for your car. Sometimes, the issue isn't the bulb but the socket or electrical connection. Inspect the socket for corrosion or damage. Clean the socket contacts with a cloth or fine sandpaper. Ensure the bulb is firmly inserted into the socket. If your bulbs and connections are fine but the warning light is still on, check the fuse. A blown fuse can also cause the rear light failure warning light to stay on. Find the fuse labeled tail light or brake light. Remove the fuse and check if it's blown. A broken wire inside means it's bad. If blown, replace it with a fuse of the same rating. After replacing the fuse, turn on the lights and test them again. If the warning light is still on, the problem may be in the wiring or electrical connections. Look for damaged, frayed, or loose wires around the tail light area. Check for loose plugs or weak connections in the wiring harness. If you find damaged wires, repair or replace them. A loose or dirty connection can cause the warning light to appear randomly while driving. Corroded sockets and plugs are a common reason for rear light malfunctions. Moisture, dirt, and environmental exposure can cause corrosion, leading to a poor electrical connection. Remove all bulbs and inspect the bases for dirt or rust. Use a clean rag or fine sandpaper to polish the bulb bases. Clean the metal contacts inside the bulb socket. Reinsert the bulbs and plug them in and out a few times to improve the connection. This simple cleaning process can restore proper contact and fix the warning light. If the warning light doesn't turn off after replacing the bulbs and fuse, try these simple reset methods. Method 1. Restart the car. Turn off the engine, lock the car, and wait 10 minutes before restarting. Method 2. Battery reset. Disconnect the car battery for 15 minutes, then reconnect it. Method 3. Tail light connector reset. Locate the tail light connector and unplug it. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, then plug it back in firmly. Restart the car and check if the warning light disappears. This can reset the system if the issue was caused by a temporary poor connection. And that's how you fix and reset the rear light failure warning light in your car. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car repair tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.